Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix battery drain in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on battery. Now scroll down and here you can see your battery draining apps. Now click on a app who used most battery and then here you can force stop that app. After that, go back and search here RAM expansion, and now here you can turn off your RAM expansion. If you turn on it, then turn it off. After turn off your RAM expansion, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset phone, and click on erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents. Everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.